When JD approached us this year about doing a new B-side, there was a few things that he was really looking for. Scott Bouchard sat down with him and they penciled out everything that he liked with his previous shape, but wanted to come up with something that was a little bit faster into the wake and released a little bit quicker. So they came up with a new B-side. The B-side is Hyperlite's true freeride masterpiece. This board is designed for the guy that wants to go out there and just rip an early morning session. It has great blended 3-stage pop off the wake, but has an awesome rocker line which carries great speed. The B-side also features 4 molded in ABS fins, so for rails, for sliders, for anything like that, it's really bulletproof. Internally in that board there's a molded in plastic fin which can take a ton of punishment. The B-side is featured in 3 sizes. We offer it in a 136, a 140, and a 144. The B-side has 2 removable 0.7 A-wing fins, so if you want a little extra traction, you can ride it with the fin. Otherwise, just pull that fin off and utilize the molded in fins to the outside. Again, the B-side features our BioLite core, a light, snappy, traditional poured core option, monocoque construction, which is a wrap glass edge for a super durable layup. The B-side is an awesome choice.